In the modern mammal metropolis of Zootopia, animals of every kind live together in peace.
在现代化的动物大都会动物方程式，各种动物和平共处。
In the modern mammal metropolis of Zootopia, animals of every kind live together in peace. From childhood, a little country rabbit named Judy Hopps dreamed of becoming a real police officer.
从小，乡下小兔子朱蒂霍普斯就梦想成为真正的警察。
From childhood, a little country rabbit named Judy Hopps dreamed of becoming a real police officer. Despite her small size, Judy trained hard and finally graduated from the police academy at the top of her class.
尽管个头娇小，朱蒂努力训练，终于以第1名的成绩毕业。
Despite her small size, Judy trained hard and finally graduated from the police academy at the top of her class. She moved to Zootopia and joined the police force, hoping to prove herself.
她搬到动物方程式并加入警队，希望证明自己的能力。
She moved to Zootopia and joined the police force, hoping to prove herself. But her chief assigned her to issue parking tickets far from the action she longed for.
然而警局长官指派她去开停车罚单，离她向往的任务差得远。
But her chief assigned her to issue parking tickets far from the action she longed for. One day, a worried otter asked the police to find her missing husband.
一天，一位水獭太太恳求警方寻找失踪的丈夫。
One day, a worried otter asked the police to find her missing husband. Seeing a chance to show her worth, Judy took the case despite the chief's doubts.
朱蒂抓住机会接下案件，尽管局长充满怀疑。
Seeing a chance to show her worth, Judy took the case despite the chief's doubts. To track clues, she cleverly partnered with a sly fox named Nick Wilde, a streetwise con artist.
为了追查线索，她机智地与狡猾的狐狸尼克·怀尔德合作。
To track clues, she cleverly partnered with a sly fox named Nick Wilde, a streetwise con artist. Together they uncovered a troubling pattern. Many predators across the city had mysteriously disappeared.
两人一起发现惊人的事实：全城多只食肉动物神秘失踪。
Together they uncovered a troubling pattern. Many predators across the city had mysteriously disappeared. Fear and prejudice quickly spread, dividing prey and predator.
恐惧与偏见迅速蔓延，加深草食与食肉动物的对立。
Fear and prejudice quickly spread, dividing prey and predator. Step by step, Judy and Nick discovered that a rare plant called night howler was behind the madness.
一步步调查后，朱蒂和尼克发现罪魁祸首是名为夜豪花的罕见植物。
Step by step, Judy and Nick discovered that a rare plant called night howler was behind the madness. Its toxins drove animals into sudden, uncontrollable rage.
它的毒素会让动物陷入暴躁失控的状态。
Its toxins drove animals into sudden, uncontrollable rage. The true mastermind was Assistant Mayor Bellwether, who sought to gain power by sowing fear.
幕后真正的主使是副市长贝尔维瑟，他企图透过制造恐惧来夺取权力。
The true mastermind was Assistant Mayor Bellwether, who sought to gain power by sowing fear. In a dramatic showdown, Judy and Nick exposed Bellwether's plot and stopped further chaos.
在紧张的对决中，朱蒂和尼克揭穿了贝尔维瑟的阴谋，阻止了更大的混乱。
In a dramatic showdown, Judy and Nick exposed Bellwether's plot and stopped further chaos. Peace returned to Zootopia, and animals began to rebuild trust among all species.
动物方程式恢复了和平，众生重新建立彼此的信任。
Peace returned to Zootopia, and animals began to rebuild trust among all species. Praised for her courage and fairness, Judy officially became the great police officer she always dreamed of.
因勇敢与公正而受到赞誉，朱蒂终于成为自己梦想中的优秀警察。
Praised for her courage and fairness, Judy officially became the great police officer she always dreamed of.